If you want to create a video that can be shared with anybody, uploading it to YouTube is the easiest way. When you're on YouTube and you're logged into your account, click the Create button and you can upload a pre-made video. It's going to take you to the YouTube studio where you can select the file that you would like to upload. Once you click on the file, it will start processing and you can see the progress at the bottom of the bar. You can give it a title, you can give it a description, and when you scroll down, it will ask you a few different elements to personalize your video. You can do these things or not, it's totally up to you. The biggest thing is that when it is all done processing, you want to indicate how people can see it. So this is what I tend to get the most questions about. You have to indicate whether it's made for kids or not. I always say no if it's for adults because the shareable options are different. And then I'm going to go to my visibility. So once I'm under visibility, it's going to ask you how you want to save or publish. Private videos and watch, they cannot be shared with anybody, even if they have a link. Unlisted will not come up in a search bar, but if you send the link to someone else, they can watch it. This is the best option if you're sending something in for a class or for something in your organization, or you can make it public so that it's searchable and everyone can watch your video. You can also decide to schedule the release of your video if you wanted to make it today but not have it published for a couple of days. When it's all done and you've done all of your settings and it's been processed, you can hit save. And you will have the video link copy button here for you to use at the bottom. You can copy the video link, it will add to your clipboard, and now you can post that link wherever you would like to share.